Hi everyone and welcome to the 5-day breathing series. Breathe before bed. Today's video is going to be 10 minutes long. We're going to use 2 breathing techniques and we're going to be doing that in a standing position. So go ahead, find a comfortable place where you won't be interrupted, where you can relax and let go for the next 10 minutes. Let's begin. Begin in a standing position. Make sure you're comfortable, your feet are firm on the ground. Keep your knees slightly bent. Soften your hips. Allow your lower back to relax. And take a moment here to simply become aware of your entire body. And bring your attention to your breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Relaxing even more. One more time, we breathe in. And we breathe out. And bring your hands together. Rub gently until they feel nice and warm. Drawing the energy to the hands. And place them on your abdomen in a way as if your belly is simply resting in your hands. We're going to breathe into the belly through the nose and out the nose. Breathe in, allowing your belly to expand into your hands. Breathe out, allow the belly to be pulled in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Important here to keep your chest nice and relaxed. Allow your breath to sink deeply into your abdomen. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your breath slow and deep. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel free to close your eyes, to turn your attention inward. Simply observing the free movement of the belly. Noticing the quality of your breath. And enjoying the sound of our own breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time here. Deep breath into your belly. Exhale softly. Relax the muscles of your stomach. Let your breathing be normal, relaxed, and soft. And notice what's happening in this area underneath your palms. Feel the warmth from your hands penetrating through the skin, spreading throughout the entire abdominal area. Feel the center right in your hands. Next, we're going to breathe in through the nose, pull the belly in towards the lower back. Then exhale, open your belly and allow to sink down into your feet as if you're melting into the ground. We breathe in. Stand nice and tall. We breathe out and soften. We breathe in and breathe out. Go ahead and close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Allow your body to relax with every exhale. Breathe in. Exhale and soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. The more you do that, the more you breathe deeply, the more you can relax and let go. Let all the stress and tension to simply drain away down your legs and into the ground with each exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Pull the belly in. And this time, stand up straight, allowing your belly to relax into your hands. Soften your hips. And relax your whole body. Open your eyes if you haven't already. And again, bring your awareness to your abdomen, to the center. And notice how you feel. Feel your feet firm on the ground, deeply rooted to the center of the earth. You feel centered, you feel grounded and present. Relax your hands by the side. Bring your feet together. And finish your practice. Thank you for joining me. I hope you feel nice and relaxed. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.